Which country is famous for its fish tacos? Mexico. Mexico is renowned for its delicious and flavorful fish tacos. They are a popular street food and restaurant staple. Fish tacos are a delicious and popular dish that combines crispy tortillas with flavorful fried fish. The fish is typically a white fish like cod or tilapia. In addition to fish tacos are often topped with ingredients such as cabbage, tomatoes, lettuce, and onions. For the sauce, you can use salsa, sour cream, or spicy mayonnaise. And for the seasoning, you can use lime juice, cilantro, and various other spices to give a fresh sensation.